Er hat gerade das schönste Geräusch der Welt entdeckt. Und vor Aufregung ist ihm sogar ein Furz ausgerutscht. Cory und seine Frau machten einen Ausflug nach Alaska und stießen dabei auf eine unerwartete Entdeckung.
You got it?
Yeah.
It's a little slippery.
Wait a minute. This would be a great place to skip a rock. Dude, it'll never go in.
And look at that. Perfect skipping rock right there. Here we go.
Whoa! Whoa! Damn, I gotta do that again! Whoa, dude, I'm tripping. That was amazing. I've never heard that before. Whoa, rocks. There are rocks up here. Oh my god. That was awesome. I need more. Hey! Echoes. Echoes. This is awesome. All right, here we go.
Wow.
Yes, you got to throw one. I don't care how bad you are at skipping rocks. It's easy to skip. It doesn't break.
There aren't any rocks left. You already took one.
No, they're up here. I'll give you one. Yeah, there we go. I have to bring your dad out here. Me and your dad are gonna have a heyday here.
You guys are both good at skipping rocks.
Yeah, but you don't even have to be good. Hey, that wasn't bad.
Yours went like all the way across the lake.
Yes.
Oh
yes,
my
you're doing
gosh.
this. All right, bombs away. Whoa! I love this. This is awesome. I'm getting way too much joy out of this. This is so rad. It's unreal.
It's very cool.
Just when you think you've seen some of the coolest stuff in Alaska, you see things like that. Like that is not on the tourism guides, you know? Like, throw rock at lake when it is half frozen. Makes really freaking cool sound. That's, honestly, that has to be like one of the top 10 things I've ever done. And I've done a lot of really cool stuff.